Welcome! Today, we're diving into the world of freelancing, a flexible, rewarding way to work on your own terms. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, transition to a new career, or simply enjoy the freedom of being your own boss, freelancing offers countless opportunities. In this video, we'll walk through each step you need to take to launch your freelancing journey, from identifying your skills to landing your first client. Let's get started by understanding what freelancing really means and why it's become such a popular choice for professionals worldwide. Freelancing is a way of working where you offer your skills and services to clients on a project or contract basis, rather than being employed by a single company. This means you have the freedom to choose your clients, set your rates, and decide when and where you work. Freelancers can work in a wide range of fields, from writing and graphic design to programming and marketing. The key is independence. You're in control of your workload and career direction. Understanding this foundation is crucial before you take your first step. Before you can start freelancing, it's important to take stock of your skills and strengths. Ask yourself, what am I good at? What do I enjoy doing? Your freelancing journey should begin with services you're confident in providing. Make a list of your technical abilities, soft skills, and any specialized knowledge you have. This self-assessment will help you identify the services you can offer and the types of clients you should target. Remember, you don't need to be an expert in everything. Focus on your strongest areas. Once you've assessed your skills, the next step is to choose a niche. A niche is a specific area or industry where you'll focus your services. Specializing helps you stand out in a crowded market and attract clients looking for your particular expertise. For example, instead of being a general writer, you might specialize in technology, blogs, or marketing copy. Take time to research what's in demand and where your skills fit best. This focus will make your marketing efforts more effective. Now that you know your niche, it's time to define exactly what services you'll offer. Be clear and specific. Will you provide web design, content writing, social media management, or something else? Outline the scope of your services, including what's included and what's not. This clarity helps clients understand what they're getting and sets expectations from the start. It also makes it easier for you to market yourself and avoid misunderstandings later on. Understanding the market is essential for any freelancer. Take time to research what other freelancers in your niche are offering, how much they charge, and what clients are looking for. Browse freelancing platforms, read job postings, and check out competitor profiles. This research will help you set competitive rates and tailor your services to meet client needs. It's also a great way to spot trends and identify gaps you can fill with your unique skills. Setting your rates can be challenging, especially when you're just starting out. Consider your experience, the complexity of the work, and what others in your field are charging. Don't undervalue yourself, but also be realistic. Clients are looking for value. Decide whether you'll charge hourly, per project, or offer packages. Remember, your rates can evolve as you gain experience and build your reputation. Be transparent with clients about your pricing to build trust from the beginning. A strong portfolio is your best marketing tool as a freelancer. Even if you're new, you can create sample projects or showcase work you've done for friends, school, or previous jobs. Include a variety of examples that highlight your skills and versatility. Make sure your portfolio is easy to navigate and visually appealing. This is often the first thing potential clients will look at, so take the time to make it shine. In today's digital world, having an online presence is crucial for freelancers. Start by building a simple website or portfolio page that showcases your services, skills, and contact information. You can also use social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, or Instagram to connect with potential clients and share your work. An online presence not only makes you more discoverable, but also builds credibility and trust with clients. Freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are great places to find your first clients. Create detailed profiles on these sites, highlighting your skills, experience, and portfolio. Take time to write a compelling bio and upload a professional photo. These platforms also offer tools for managing projects, payments, and client communication, making it easier to get started and build your reputation. Your freelance profile is your digital resume. Make sure it clearly communicates who you are, what you offer, and why clients should choose you. Use a friendly, professional tone and focus on your unique strengths. Highlight your experience, showcase your portfolio, and include testimonials if you have them. A well-crafted profile can make a big difference in attracting clients and winning projects. When applying for freelance jobs, your proposal is your chance to stand out. Tailor each proposal to the specific client and project. Address their needs, explain how you can help, and provide relevant examples from your portfolio. Keep it concise, professional, and focused on the client's goals. A personalized, well-written proposal increases your chances of landing the job. Some clients may want to interview you before hiring. Be ready to discuss your experience, approach to projects, and how you handle challenges. Practice answering common questions and prepare examples that demonstrate your skills. Show enthusiasm and professionalism, and don't be afraid to ask questions about the project. A confident interview can help you build rapport and secure the job. Negotiation is a normal part of freelancing. Be prepared to discuss rates, deadlines, and project scope with clients. Know your minimum acceptable rate and be willing to explain your pricing. Stay professional and open to compromise, but don't undervalue your work. Clear communication during negotiation helps prevent misunderstandings and sets the stage for a successful project. Always use a contract before starting any freelance work. A contract outlines the scope of work, deadlines, payment terms, and other important details. This protects both you and the client and helps avoid disputes. You can find contract templates online or use those provided by freelance platforms. Make sure both parties agree to the terms before you begin. Reliable payment methods are essential for freelancers. Set up accounts with platforms like PayPal, Stripe, or direct bank transfers to make it easy for clients to pay you. Clearly communicate your preferred payment method and terms before starting work. This ensures you get paid on time and helps build trust with your clients. Time management is crucial for freelancers. Without a boss or set schedule, it's up to you to stay organized and meet deadlines. Use tools like calendars, to-do lists, or project management apps to plan your work. Set realistic deadlines and break projects into manageable tasks. Good time management helps you deliver quality work and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Clear communication is key to successful freelancing. Keep clients updated on your progress, ask questions when needed, and clarify expectations early. Use email, messaging apps, or project management tools to stay in touch. Good communication builds trust, prevents misunderstandings, and leads to long-term client relationships. Your reputation as a freelancer depends on the quality of your work. Always strive to exceed client expectations by delivering high-quality results on time. Double-check your work for errors and make improvements where possible. Satisfied clients are more likely to hire you again and refer you to others, helping you grow your freelance business. After completing a project, ask your client for feedback. Constructive feedback helps you improve your skills and service. Positive reviews and testimonials can be added to your portfolio, boosting your credibility. Don't be afraid to ask for feedback. It shows you care about your work and are committed to growth. Revisions are a normal part of freelancing. Be open to making changes based on client feedback, but set clear boundaries on the number of revisions included in your service. Communicate your revision policy upfront to avoid confusion. Handling revisions professionally shows your commitment to client satisfaction and helps build long-term relationships. Strong client relationships are the foundation of a successful freelance career. Stay in touch with past clients, follow up after projects, and offer additional services when appropriate. Happy clients are more likely to return and refer you to others. Building trust and rapport takes time, but it pays off in the long run. The freelance world is always evolving. Stay up to date with industry trends, new tools, and best practices by taking courses, reading blogs, or joining professional groups. Continuous learning helps you stay competitive and offer more value to your clients. Invest in your growth to keep your freelance business thriving. Managing your finances is a key part of freelancing. Keep track of your income, expenses, and taxes. Use accounting software or spreadsheets to stay organized. Set aside money for taxes and savings, and consider consulting a professional for advice. Good financial management ensures your freelance business remains sustainable and stress-free. Marketing is essential for attracting new clients. Use social media, networking events, and online communities to promote your services. Share your portfolio, write blog posts, or offer free resources to showcase your expertise. Consistent marketing helps you reach a wider audience and keeps your pipeline full. Networking is a powerful way to grow your freelance business. Connect with other freelancers, join online forums, and attend industry events. Building a network can lead to collaborations, referrals, and new opportunities. Don't be afraid to reach out and introduce yourself. You never know where your next project might come from. Not every client relationship will be smooth. If you encounter a difficult client, stay professional and calm. Listen to their concerns, communicate clearly, and try to find a solution that works for both parties. If necessary, refer back to your contract or consider ending the relationship respectfully. Protecting your boundaries is important for your well-being. Organization is key to managing multiple projects and clients. Use tools like project management apps, calendars, and file storage systems to keep everything in order. Create checklists for each project and set reminders for deadlines. Staying organized helps you deliver work on time and reduces stress. Freelancing offers flexibility, but it's easy to blur the lines between work and personal life. Set boundaries by creating a dedicated workspace and establishing regular working hours. Take breaks, spend time with loved ones, and make time for hobbies. A healthy work-life balance keeps you motivated and prevents burnout. Protecting your work is important as a freelancer. Use contracts, watermark your samples, and keep backups of all your files. If you're working with intellectual property, understand your rights and consider registering your work if necessary. Taking these steps helps you avoid disputes and ensures you get credit for your efforts. As a freelancer, you're responsible for your own taxes. Keep detailed records of your income and expenses, and set aside money for tax payments. Research the tax laws in your country or consult an accountant to make sure you're compliant. Staying on top of your taxes prevents surprises and keeps your business running smoothly. The right tools can make your freelance work easier and more efficient. Invest in quality hardware, software, and online services that help you deliver your best work. This might include a reliable laptop, design software, or project management apps. Upgrading your tools is an investment in your business and your professional growth. Freelancing can be challenging, especially during slow periods. Set goals for yourself, celebrate your achievements, and stay connected with your support network. Remind yourself why you started freelancing and focus on your long-term vision. Staying motivated helps you push through tough times and continue growing your business. As you gain experience, consider expanding your services to reach new clients and increase your income. You might add related skills, offer consulting, or create digital products. Diversifying your offerings keeps your business fresh and opens up new opportunities for growth. Word of mouth is powerful in freelancing. Don't hesitate to ask satisfied clients for referrals or recommendations. A simple request can lead to new projects and help you build a strong reputation. Make it easy for clients to refer you by providing clear contact information and staying in touch. Juggling multiple projects is common for freelancers. Prioritize tasks, set clear deadlines, and communicate with clients about your availability. Use project management tools to keep track of progress and avoid overcommitting. Managing multiple projects efficiently helps you maximize your income and deliver quality work to every client. Freelancing can be demanding, and burnout is a real risk. Recognize the signs: fatigue, lack of motivation, or declining quality of work. Take breaks, set boundaries, and seek support when needed. Remember, your well-being is essential for long-term success. Don't hesitate to step back and recharge when necessary. Regularly review your freelance business to see what's working and what can be improved. Set aside time each month to assess your goals, income, and client relationships. Use this information to make adjustments and plan for the future. Continuous evaluation helps you stay on track and achieve long-term success. Professionalism sets you apart as a freelancer. Meet deadlines, communicate respectfully, and deliver on your promises. Handle challenges with grace and always strive to improve. Building a reputation for professionalism leads to repeat business and long-term success. Don't forget to celebrate your achievements, big or small. Completing a challenging project, landing a new client, or reaching an income goal are all reasons to reward yourself. Celebrating your wins keeps you motivated and reminds you of how far you've come on your freelancing journey. The freelance landscape is always changing. Be open to new opportunities, adapt to industry shifts, and stay flexible in your approach. Embracing change helps you stay relevant and continue growing, no matter what challenges come your way. Think about your long-term goals as a freelancer. Do you want to scale your business, hire a team, or transition to a different field? Set clear goals and create a plan to achieve them. Planning for the future keeps you focused and motivated as you continue your freelancing journey. Every freelancer faces challenges, from finding clients to managing workload. The key is to stay persistent and resourceful. Learn from setbacks, seek advice from others, and keep pushing forward. Overcoming challenges builds resilience and makes you a stronger, more successful freelancer. Freelancing is more than just a job. It's a journey of growth, learning, and self-discovery. Enjoy the freedom, celebrate your progress, and take pride in your achievements. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to your goals. Embrace the journey and make the most of your freelance career. To sum up, starting a freelancing career involves assessing your skills, choosing a niche, building a portfolio, and connecting with clients. Stay organized, keep learning, and always deliver your best work. With persistence and dedication, freelancing can offer you the flexibility and fulfillment you're looking for. Now, take the first step, identify your strengths, and start building your freelance journey today.